Evening. So I've managed to get away for quite a while without doing much work on the bike. Considering it's winter, we've lasted quite a while, so I've been pretty lucky really. But I've now got quite a few things on the list to do. I just scribbled them all down because I'm horrendous for forgetting stuff. So kind of in priority order. Gear cable's most important. Rear bearings. When we came back from Hopworth, there was like all, what's it called? Disdained water, like all marked down from these bearings, so I'm pretty sure they're rusted, so I'm going to have a look at them. Pads are shot, reverb needs a bleed and pressure, pedal bearings are very stiff, they need doing, and check the chain stretch. So basically a lot of it's at the back end, so I'm going to take the rear wheel out and just strip it down tonight. I was hoping to do a lot more tonight, but Mike sent me a load of videos from their ride on yesterday or Saturday, not sure. So I spent a while, got distracted, spent a while trying to edit that. So hopefully it'd be cool to do a video. It's not really me in it, be interesting. It's harder to edit, definitely, because I don't quite know what I'm looking for, but hopefully it came out alright. Anyway, do the times lapse and strip this thing down. See, this is why you write stuff down, because I've just remembered I need to check the chain stretch before I do anything. Yeah, good. I think I might have to add jockey wheels to the list, hopefully. It's a bit dark there, but they are pretty toast. They've done 3 years, so yeah, fair play. Pedals. Nearly took the cranks off without taking the pedals off. So much easier to take the pedals off when they're still on the bike. I don't have to use a bit of wood now. Someone got me a soft-headed mallet for Christmas. Who was it? My brother. Thanks, Jez. Spot on. Chain guide. Chain guide. I had not forgotten. Not forgotten. Hope it's going pretty well, but I've just on this rocker, this screw has like a spacer and a washer, and I don't have either for this side, so I must have hopefully fired them onto the floor, so I'll have a look for them. Got ow! Found him. Panic over. Alright, that didn't take me too long, bar losing the washer and spacer thing. So I think pretty much what I'm going to do tonight now is clean up all these bearings, degrease them, get the muck off them, and see which ones are toast and which ones I can just pack out with grease and get some more life out of. So pretty much what took off: chain, suspension bolts, rear end, arms, cranks, pedals, hydration beer. So yeah, give them a clean, then I'll let you know how bad the bearings are. Okay, so good news is the little ones, the like ones that are sandwiched either side of the swing arm, are okay. I need to clean the cleaner off them. The ones above the bottom bracket are both seized, pretty much. Yeah, that turns like a quarter. Doesn't turn at all. This one turns but feels super notchy. The other side of it is buttery smooth. So I'll have to look back at one of my videos, because before I went to one of the races I remember faffing around with bearings. I can't remember if I definitely worked on this bearing area. Can't remember if I did both sides or just one side. They do look marginally different. The outer the outer rubber seal on this looks a lot bluer, so maybe I just smashed out that one and replaced the one. So I've got a box up there, I'll have to see what I've got and what I haven't got, but yeah, it's basically 3 ideally to replace. So I think that's pretty much it for tonight. I'm just going to check the time, clean up a bit and crack on tomorrow. No, just found another one's toast, so I was just cleaning up these ones, and these are like, put this tail down. So you've got a bearing either side and they like touch each other, and it's fine this side, but this one is done. So that means replacing both of those. So if I've got enough bearings, I might as well just do the whole bike, I suppose. Problem is it's like January, so yeah. Problem is it's January, so you're basically putting them on and they could just get wrecked again pretty quick. I suppose the other option is pack a load of grease in, rebuild it, and then do it before the next race in going to Scotland in March. Do it end of February in a month. It's only like 4 rides. I'll have a think.